right? If something comes on the screen, tell me, okay? So, right, the resistance is denoted by R. The resistivity is denoted by rho, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Length is L and area is A. It is also called better cross-section area. Sectional area, okay? Jivitesh, keep your video on. Sorry, 1 second. Jivitesh, keep your video.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Okay. So, yeah. The formula is resistance is equal to rho into L by A. How does this come? See, I have given you an idea that the resistance should be proportional to length. Why? Because more the length,
More distance traveled by that box.
more stopping you have, right?
Yeah.
More stopped. And of course, resistance should be proportional, inversely proportional to area. So if you have more area, cross-section area, you have more part to go, right? Right, more part to go. Current will have electrons will flow easily. Okay, understood? You can think of in terms of water. If more pipe is thicker, then water will flow easily. Okay, and the pipe is longer, the water has to flow for a more amount of distance, so it has more resistance. Fine. Therefore, resistance must be proportional to L by A, and therefore resistance is equal to rho L by A. Okay. Okay. The next concept is rho is a property of material. Property of material. Okay. And we have done this in the first class also, but I am doing it again today. Let's say also write resistivity of copper is less than resistivity of iron. Okay. So therefore, which is a better conductor? Copper. Okay. Therefore, copper is a better conductor. Copper is a better conductor. Okay. Copper is a better conductor. So Ishan, there are some resistivity values in the book. AC book mein. Just before the resistivity exercise. Yeah, I think this is the one. उसमें से 2-3 किसका बोलो मुझे ना आयरन का बोलो कॉपर का बोलो 10 to 10 power minus 8. Okay, and copper is yeah, so it is almost 5 times or 7 times. Okay, this is 7x. Okay, fine everyone.
So which page?
This is in Eschan. Eschan mein just which page is it? 23, kind of 23. So just before the third exercise should be there. Okay.
Yes.
Now write the unit of R is units की बात करते हैं. Length का unit क्या होता है? मीटर. एरिया का यूनिट
मीटर स्क्वायर.
रेजिस्टेंस का यूनिट होता है ओम. क्या होता है? ओम. OHM. Okay. So R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is equal to ohm is equal to rho into meter by meter square. So the unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Okay. Ohm meter. Unit of rho is ohm into meter. So, okay. ये कैसे होगा, ये मीटर ऊपर जाएगा, ये मीटर नीचे आएगा, तो ओम इंटू मीटर हो जाएगा। आ रहे, समझ में आ रहा है?
So what's the unit for rho?
रो ऐसे देखो, रो उससे भी आ सकता है। हमने वी ओम्स लॉ कर लिया है क्या, वी इक्वल टू आई आर।
Yes, so yeah.
तो यहाँ से भी आ सकता है। देखो वोल्ट क्या होता है, वोल्ट का यूनिट वोल्टेज का जस्ट वोल्ट्स है ना,
Yes, so
करंट का एम्पियर है,
yeah.
दैट इज रेजिस्टेंस, दैट इज ओम। अंडरस्टूड? सो ओम इज व्हाट एक्चुअली वोल्ट पर एम्पियर, ओके, बट
Okay.
यूनिट वाइज यू स्टिल कॉल इट ओम ओनली, फाइन।
Right. Right. Yes, so
फाइन एवरीवन।
so but then I didn't get how it's ohm meters is the unit for rho.
Rho because R is rho L by A. You put everything. You put R. You put L. You put A. R is ohm. L is meter. A is meter square. Find out. Got it?
Yes. So,
Okay. Yeah, you can open Eschan. एक मिनट रुकना, लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन रिफ्रैक्शन पीडीएफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पीडीएफ। Yeah, so okay, we will do some questions. Okay, listen. So let's say the question number 25. Okay, the resistance of a wire of length कितना दे रखा है? Read question number 25. How much is length given? 300 meter. What is the area? 1 millimeter square. That means you have to convert into meter. Now 1 meter is how much millimeter?
2000.
नहीं, 10 पावर में बोलो, 10 पावर में।
10 power it will be
1 meter is equal to how many? हाँ,
10 power 3 millimeters.
10 to power 3 है। तुमको पिछली क्लास में मैंने बताया था, एक बड़ी क्वांटिटी इक्वल टू छोटी क्वांटिटी, तो यहाँ बड़ा नंबर आएगा। 1 meter is 10 power 3 millimeter. Therefore 1 meter square is, दोनों साइड स्क्वायर करो, क्या आएगा?
Sir, it will be 3 to the power of
नहीं, 10 to the
sorry,
power
10
6.
to the power of 6.
लिखो 1 meter square is 10 power 6 millimeter square. Therefore
Sir,
1 millimeter square is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter square.
sir, 1 meter square should be 10 to the power 9.
नहीं ना, क्यों 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 इसको स्क्वायर किया ना दोनों साइड।
सर तो 3 का स्क्वायर होना चाहिए ना। ओके,
3 का स्क्वायर नहीं है, अबे एक मिनट, एक्स स्क्वायर का होल क्यूब कितना होता है? 8 होता है कि 6 होता है पावर?
6
6 होता है, 8 होता है?
6
पक्का 8 नहीं होता?
नहीं
क्यों, 2 क्यूब तो 8 होता है, 2 क्यूब तो 8 होता है,
सर 2 क्यों? हाँ
तो 8 होना चाहिए ना?
नहीं
नहीं, अभी क्यों 8 नहीं? अभी 6 होता है ना, करेक्ट 6 है वैसे, ठीक है।
ओके
अब समझ में आया ना? समझ में आया
यस
ना?
सर
ये क्यों
यस
6 है, ये पावर 6 क्यों आई?
यस
जीवितेश,
यस सर
ये कितना है?
सर 8
एक्स की पावर 8 बोल।
ओके x to the power of 8
ये एक्स टू पावर 49 ना?
सर नहीं
हाँ,
x to the power 14
ठीक, ओके। सो देयरफॉर एरिया इज हाउ मच? इट इज 10 पावर माइनस 6 मिलीमीटर स्क्वायर, ठीक है। और क्या दे रखा है क्वेश्चन में? रेजिस्टिविटी कितनी दे रखी है? 10 पावर माइनस 7 ओम मीटर, ठीक है। 1 into 10 power minus 7, it is same as 10 power minus 7, okay. So therefore, what is the resistance? Resistance is rho L by A. Rho kitna 10 power minus 7 into length kitna 300 meter. Divide by area is 10 power minus 6. Okay. 10 power minus 6 into minus 7 will cancel and you will get. And 300 by minus 1 is. Yes, 30 ohms. Is done. 30 ohms. लिख लो. लिख लिया? Good.
So you do get ohm meters as resistivity.
Current electricity. Okay. Yes, Shivansh.
No, so I was saying that you do get ohm meters.
What you get?
You do get ohm meters for resistivity.
Resistivity.
Yeah, like you can prove it.
Resistance.
Ohm meters, so resistivity.
Resistivity is ohm meter, but they're asking resistance. I don't understand. There is a doubt.
Also,
You're
like you can prove it. Like
Sir?
so you can prove it. You can prove it.
I'm not getting your point. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा. तुम doubt
Also,
पूछ रहे
like
हो.
the question, the answer you're giving, I got it.
Okay, you got no answer. ओम आ रहा है.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Okay. 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 अब इस ये समझ में आ गया सबको? ठीक है. इसके बाद कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे आते हैं जिससे उसमें बोलता है कि एक वायर है. ठीक है. उसका लेंथ L है, एरिया A है. ठीक. Okay. Now they're asking the wire length is doubled. See, if the wire length is doubled, what will happen? Length will become 2L and area will become area. See how is area calculated? New area. How you calculate it? It is like this. The volume is constant. Volume is constant. Actually, why is volume constant? Because mass and density is constant. Okay. So density is equal to mass by volume. And because density and mass both are constant, so volume is also constant. Okay. If volume is constant, what is the initial volume? Kitna hai? The black wire. It is AL, right? See volume. See if you have a shape, okay, if you have a circle and is extended in straight line, the volume of this is going to be the area into L. That's why you have if you have a cylinder of radius R and its height is H, you have remembered the formula volume is pi r square H. Why have you remembered this? Because this is the ये क्या है area of the circle है और ये क्या है the length by which you have इसको बोलते हैं extrusion करना extrusion. This process called extrude. You extrude something, okay? If you extrude a square, what will you get? A cube, right?
You can get a cube or a cuboid.
Or cube or basically a square depending on how much length you have extruded, right?
Yes.
So इसका volume कितना होगा?
Sir, it will be
A square into L.
A square L, right?
Yeah.
yes.
एक ट्राइंगल है, ठीक है तुम्हारे पास एक, उसको एक्सट्रूड कर दिया तो जो बनेगा ना उसका वॉल्यूम कितना होगा? क्या?
So half into
ऐसे डायरेक्टली ऐसे इतना जनरल बोलो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इनटू लेंथ, राइट? लेंथ की लेंथ ना. अब एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल हाफ बेस साइड से निकाल सकते हैं, हीरोन से निकाल सकते हैं और रूट इक्विलेटरल ले तो √3/4 a square से निकाल सकते हैं. दैट विल डिपेंड बट इट इज जनरल एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इनटू लेंथ. ठीक है. तो अगर एक वायर है तो वायर का क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया इनटू L. सो वॉल्यूम इज A इनटू L. ओके, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
वॉल्यूम इज AL. बात की वॉल्यूम कितनी है? A dash into 2L. So what is A dash then? A by 2. Understood? Write this everything. Write this everything.
So I have a question. In the starting, you double the area, right? Not the area, I mean the length, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But so the diameter deals with the breadth, right? Like the circumference.
I फिर से बोलूं.
So in the wire, you double the length, right?
Yeah,
But the diameter is based off on the circumference.
correct. So you're asking What is your doubt? पूरा doubt पूछो बेटा.
So my doubt is that shouldn't you have increased the breadth then rather than the length?
Okay. ये वायर है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Interestingly, I have good 1 second. आ रहा हूँ मैं क्यों? This is wire, okay? Okay. ये लो, रुको एक मिनट. पकड़ो. ये वायर है, ठीक है? थोड़ा दब से. बस. इसका लेंथ कितना है? ये पूरा लेंथ है ना? क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया क्या है? ये क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया. दिस ये सर्कल, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
इसमें से क्या है? इस वायर को अगर खींचते हो, एक्सटेंड करते हो, क्या होगा?
What, sir?
इसका अगर वायर वायर है, ठीक है? ये
Yes, sir.
this is basically hollow, but we are talking of a solid filled wire, okay?
Okay, sir.
So if you extend this wire, what is going to happen? The length will increase, but the cross section area will decrease. पतला होगा ना यहाँ से ये.
हाँ पर सर diameter increase हो रहा है ना?
Diameter increase हो रहा है. Diameter ये अच्छा ये सर्कल है ना?
हाँ सर.
इस सर्कल का ये इतना लेंथ क्या होता है? ये लेंथ यहाँ से यहाँ.
Diameter.
उसका आधा क्या होता है?
उस radius. तो radius will become 4 times ना?
एक मिनट. जब इस वायर को लंबा लेंथ बढ़ा रहे हैं, तो इसका ये सर्कल छोटा हो रहा है ना?
नहीं बट सर इसके अंदर तो सर बोला है कि diameter is doubled.
कौन सा क्वेश्चन? मैंने कोई क्वेश्चन
26 तो है ना?
मैं तुमसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करवा रहा.
So which question then?
मैंने कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करवाया. मैंने सिर्फ एग्जांपल. You are not, don't read question number any question.
Oh, okay sir. Okay sir, thank you.
अगर ये लेंथ इसका 12 हुआ तो एरिया a/2 हो जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes sir.
What are these? Huh? What are these in my? Yeah, these are electrons. So these electrons are trying to go. Okay. What do you need so that electrons go that side? A potential difference, right? In real life, what do you need? Actually, you want now in this don't think in electricity. Don't think in electricity. यहाँ देखो इस पाइप से इधर से उधर जा. ऐसे क्या करोगे? When you fill, yeah, what do you do? Different thing. Different than negative water. Different than potential. Right? ये वही है ना, पानी ऊपर, टंकी में पानी नीचे. अगर पानी ऊपर नहीं चढ़ाओगे, it will not go down, right? See, so in this gravitational, we need gravitational height. So for potential, we need potential height. It is called potential difference, right? Also, एक हमने पढ़ा था potential energy. कुछ तो लिखा था क्या? Work done by कुछ लिखा था क्या?
Work done by charge.
So potential work done is equal to potential difference into charge mode, right?
Yeah.
So suppose see if suppose the height difference is equal to 1 meter, okay, this point and this point, okay. So what will happen if you want to bring suppose it falls here, you want to bring it here, how much work you have to do? The potential difference into the charge which you have to do. Okay, do this work and negative flow, lose that. Again, do this work, negative flow, lose that. Who is doing this work in circuit?
So wait,
Who is doing this work in circuit?
back.
Battery, right? And when so okay, battery is providing energy. In what form?
Yeah.
In chemical. When battery forms stores energy in chemical form. It converts into electrical form. Then when electrons are moving through this, okay, they lose up all this energy, right? When they go down. So in what form they lose their energy? They gain kinetic, right? But then they lose in terms of what?
We can repeat your question.
Due to in what form? Yeah, फ्रिक्शन होता है तो क्या होता है किस फॉर्म में एनर्जी लूज होती है हीट एनर्जी यस वही ये लास्ट टॉपिक इस चैप्टर का हीट निकालेंगे वो ठीक है ओके Okay. Next. Okay. So everyone has understood that area will be A by 2. So the initial resistance.
Yes, sir.
Resistance था वो था R is equal to rho L by A. अभी जो resistance है वो है rho will not change. Why? Because the same material, the length by A dash and the length is 2L by area is A by 2. So it will be 4 times rho L by A. So it is 4R. Okay. It is 4 times R.
So I didn't get exactly why it's A by 2 though.
Why it is
A by 2.
A by 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Because the volume of the material of the whole wire is constant and the volume is area into cross-section area into length.
Yeah.
Get it now or not?
So then how is it A by 2?
Okay. Do you understand that the initial volume was, these are the initial parameters L and A.
Yes, sir.
The final is 2L, but we don't know A dash. Okay.
Yes, sir. We don't.
So the initial volume is L into A.
Right.
It must be equal to the final volume. Right? Which is 2L into A dash. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you understand this equation or not?
So like, yeah, but how is LA equal to 2L into A dash? Won't the volume increase in 2L into A dash?
No, but A dash is A dash. It is not A.
Yes, sir. So won't
ये
it?
पहले का वॉल्यूम है इनिशियल वॉल्यूम इनिशियल ओके और ये पूरा है वॉल्यूम फाइनल राइट साइड
Right.
both are same volumes.
Okay. So we're assuming this,
Assuming what?
that the initial volume and final volume are the same.
Why we are assuming that?
So I don't know. That's what I'm asking.
Hey, I told no density is mass by volume and the mass is constant. You're not taking away anything. And the assumption is that density is constant. Okay.
So then volume will be constant.
Assumption is density is constant. The volume is constant is a result, okay, of that.
Yes.
अच्छा अभी ये समझ में आ गया आया नहीं आया अच्छा ये बताओ इस केस में जो रेडियस है ना जो डायमीटर है वो कितना हो जाएगा अगर पहले का डायमीटर डी है तो अभी डायमीटर कितना होगा
Sir, it will be, sir, if the radius is increased, then it
सॉल्व करके बोलना सॉल्व करके ऐसे मत बोलना पहले डायमीटर डी था इसी वायर में सेम क्वेश्चन में पहले का डायमीटर डी था अभी डायमीटर कितना है
sir, radius is increased or decreased?
अभी तो तुमको बताया लेंथ होगी 2L, एरिया हो गया A/2। अब तुम अपने आप निकालो ना, वो तो वही तो नहीं बता रहा हूँ मैं रेडियस, तुमको बताना है कि डायमीटर क्या हो गया है।
So how will we do this?
क्या?
How will we do this?
You have the area of the circle is A, the final area is A/2, you can do it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, सही है, सही है। ठीक से करो। The answer is D/√2. I want everyone to show me this result. And the radius is also R/√2. Radius also
Sir,
becomes
I
R.
don't understand how is it D/√2 and R by.
एरिया का फॉर्मूला पता है ना सर्कल का, πr²।
Yes.
थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ।
Okay.
सर लिखे रेडियस है R, एरिया कितना है, एक और सर्कल है जिसका एरिया कितना है अभी, कितना एरिया है A/2, राइट। तो उसका एरिया उसका होगा π × R' स्क्वायर, राइट। डिवाइड करो दोनों को, A/A/2 which is 2 is equal to R² by R' square, where R' square will be R² by 2, so R' will be R/√2. Okay, therefore diameter is also D/√2 because diameter is just double of radius. So by the same factor, area and radius increases, same factor diameter decreases. Done. Okay, now in your In your book, you have to do question number 25 to 32 sare. Right now, 25 to 32 and send.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, if we take a aluminum wire and a nichrome wire, whose resistivity is greater?
Element of
No, if we take a aluminum wire and nichrome wire, then whose resistivity is greater?
nichrome का होगा.
Sir, by how much?
वो नहीं पता मुझे, but higher है. In general, nichrome is alloy, okay?
Yes, sir.
Nichrome का पूरा word है, वो उसको तोड़ोगे तो आएगा nickel chrome, okay? So it is a nickel and chromium alloy, and alloy generally have more resistivity than pure metals.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So in applications where you need high resistance, you will use alloys. In applications where you need low resistance, you will use pure metals. Jivitesh, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So when we say density, do we say like the density of like the original shape, or do we say like the density of the material out of which this shape is made?
Density is never of the material, of the shape, it is of the material.
Is of the material, right? Okay.
Density of water will always be 1 gram per centimeter cube, irrespective of whether you have put the water in a cup or a swimming pool or a straw. Okay.
Yes, sir.
25 to 32, do and send. Ritesh, any doubts?
Sir, I had a doubt.
Which one? Ritesh first. Yes, first. जल्दी बोल.
सर मुझे 27 वाला समझ नहीं आया.
क्या नहीं समझ में आया?
27th.
27th वाला. If the resistance of certain copper wire is 1 ohm, then the resistance of the longer signal amplifier will be about 450 about with the new. So it is not easy. This is 110 to the power minus. सुनो वैल्यू देखनी पड़ेगी. तुम जाके एक बार कॉपर को देखो और नाइट्रोन को देखो उनमें कितना रेशियो है, कितना टाइम. वैल्यूज देखी तुमने? जीवित तुमसे ही पूछ रहा हूँ.
Sir, your voice is very dim. I can't hear you properly.
हेलो.
Yes, sir.
वैल्यूज देखी तुमने कितनी है नाइक्रोम और किसका है? कॉपर की, एल्युमिनियम और नाइक्रोम की.
Sir, copper key. Sir, सर निक्रोम का है 100 into 10 to the power minus 6.
कितना है?
सर 100 into 10 to the power minus 6.
अच्छा, और एल्युमिनियम का?
एल्यूमिनियम का है 2.63 into 10 to the power minus 8.
Ohm's law is that potential across a volt wire resistor V is equal to IR, where I is the current through the wire and R is the resistance of the wire. Okay.
Yes, sir.
According to that logic, if you see question number in the Ohm's law exercise, if you see question number 21, for example, question number 21, the question says the PD across a 3 ohm resistor is 6 volt. The current is, so the formula is the PD is equal to current into resistor. I'll repeat, PD is equal to current into resistor. So PD is 6, current is I, resistor is 3. Therefore, I is 6 by 3, 2. Okay. Got it or not?
So the 21st question is this, right? A resistor has a resistance of 176 ohms.
नहीं, मैं actually Ohm's law वाले में बोल रहा हूँ.
Yes, sir, that's what. Oh.
Number 21 ना?
So wait, I might have confused it with another exercise.
हो सकता है हमारी बुक अलग हो. पहला एमसीक्यू बोल रहा हूँ मैं, फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू. फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू सही. ओके.
Yeah, yes, sir. First MCQ.
या फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू जो है वो क्या है?
So the first question is give the law of combination of resistances in series. I don't know what
भाई
you're talking
ओम्स लॉ पहले है, बैक में जाओ. बिफोर दिस.
about. Okay.
यस, बिफोर दिस एक्सरसाइज. यस.
Does it Ohm's law state that the potential difference is directly proportional to the current flowing in it? It's a temperature constant.
यस.
So like V
So that page number, I'm getting confused.
the V is equal to I is just like the result from the derivation.
फ्रॉम द लॉ.
Yeah.
यस.
So okay, could you give me a page number? I'm getting confused.
बताओ. It is page number 19 of the chapter.
Oh, 19. Okay. It's like I was on page number 36. Right. Yeah, 21.
Yeah.
So
People, online
have we
people
already
send
done
me
this?
online people send me the HOTS also, and then move to Ohm's law exercise, which is exercise before this, page number 19. Okay.
Sir, I'm on the last question. I'm saying I'm gonna finish.
25th question. तो 25 ओम्स लॉ गिव्स रीडिंग इसका है नहीं करंट रेजिस्टेंस जीवितेश भेजो बेटा जल्दी
एक सेकंड सर।
जीवितेश
Yes, sir.
ठीक है what is
Oh,
this
okay, sir.
what is this
Sir, I'll just send it again.
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे उसमें भी ठीक से लिखो इसको ये सब क्या है तुमने ऑप्शन क्यों लिख रखे हैं
Okay,
पूरा लिखो पूरा
okay, sir.
yeah so guys send fast 19 वाला
Yes, sir.
द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ओम्स लॉ कॉन्सेप्ट है सुन लो फिर से क्वेश्चन नंबर है उसमें जैसे 21 ओके एवरीवन सी पेज नंबर 19 ऑफ ओम्स लॉ एमसीक्यू इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 the PD across a 3 ohm resistor is 6 volt the current flowing through resistor will be so if the PD is 6 volt the Ohm's law says potential difference is equal to current into resistance okay okay जीवितेश सुन लिया
Yes, sir.
आर्य सुन लिया क्या है
Yes, sir.
रिपीट करो
The answer or the question?
कॉन्सेप्ट जो बोला
Concept है कि the PD across a 3 ohm resistor is 6V. The current flowing in the resistor will be.
फिर से बोलो
The PD across a 3 ohm resistor is 6V. The current flowing in the resistor will be.
मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट बोला एक्सप्लेन करने क्वेश्चन
The
कॉन्सेप्ट
concept would be the equation then, no?
हाँ क्या इक्वेशन है
A work done with,
नहीं
yeah, work done is equal to current
लिखो
passing into,
पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू करंट इनटू रेजिस्टेंस लिखो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू करंट इनटू रेजिस्टेंस
Sir,
Give me 1 minute, okay?
so for Ohm's law, we just need to send the MCQs.
Yeah, just MCQs और पहली दो एक्सरसाइज के VSAQs, ठीक है?
PSA and
VSAQ मतलब वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस, जो पहली दो एक्सरसाइज के, ओके? वो भी थॉट्स नहीं करने हैं.